Hello guys, bienvenidos al ¿Qué esperar? De la unidad 10 del Interchange Intro. El objetivo de esta unidad es que aprendas a hablar de los deportes que ves y practicas, así como hablar de destrezas, habilidades y talentos. Recuerda que este video está diseñado para que puedas tener una vista general del contenido de la unidad y no como un sustituto del libro o la clase. Si lo que quieres es dominar los conceptos relacionados con esta unidad, debes estudiar las lecciones que te dejaré en la descripción del video.
Snapshot. Listen and practice. Sports quiz.
Brazil's favorite sport is soccer. Their second favorite is...
Mexico's favorite sport is soccer. Their second favorite sport is...
Canada's favorite sport is ice hockey. Their second favorite sport is...
South Korea's favorite sport is basketball. Their second favorite sport is...
Conversation. When do you play all these sports? Listen and practice.
So, Victor, what do you do in your free time?
Well, I really like sports.
Cool. What sports do you like?
My favorite sports are basketball, soccer, and tennis.
Wow. You're a really good athlete. When do you play all these sports?
Oh, I don't play them very often.
What do you mean?
I just watch them on TV.
So, Victor, what do you do in your free time?
Well, I really like sports.
Cool. What sports do you like?
My favorite sports are basketball, soccer, and tennis.
Wow. You're a really good athlete. When do you play all these sports?
Oh, I don't play them very often.
What do you mean?
I just watch them on TV.
Grammar focus. Simple present WH questions.
What sports do you play?
I play soccer and basketball.
Who do you play basketball with?
I play with some friends from work.
Where do you play?
We play at a gym near the office.
How often do you practice?
We practice twice a week.
When do you practice?
We practice on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
What time do you start?
We start at 6 in the evening.
Listening. What do you think of sports? Listen to the conversations about sports. Complete the chart. 1.
Hey, James. What do you think of soccer?
I like it. Actually, I like lots of sports.
Oh, yeah? What sports do you like?
Let's see. I like tennis and bike riding, and especially football. It's my favorite.
Football's my favorite, too. So, when do you play it?
In the fall and winter.
2.
What sports do you like, Brianna?
You know, I don't like sports very much.
So you never play sports?
No, I don't. Oh, wait. I do like tennis.
Oh, really? When do you play tennis?
About once a week. I play with a friend at my gym.
3.
Do you play volleyball, Matthew?
No. I think it's a little boring.
I see. Do you like any sports?
Oh, sure. My favorite sport is baseball. I love baseball. Now that's an exciting sport.
How often do you play?
Well, I don't really play. I'm too busy. But I watch it on TV a lot.
4.
Do you like tennis, Nicole?
It's okay, but it's not my favorite.
What's your favorite sport?
I guess my favorite sport is basketball.
Really? Where do you play basketball?
Oh, I don't play basketball, but a lot of my friends do, and I like to watch them play.
Conversation. What can I do? Listen and practice.
Look, there's a talent show audition on Friday. Let's enter.
Oh, I can't enter a talent show. What can I do?
You can sing very well.
Really? Thanks.
I can't sing at all, but I can play the piano, so...
So maybe we can enter the contest.
Of course we can. Let's do it.
Okay, we can practice tomorrow.
Look, there's a talent show audition on Friday. Let's enter.
Oh, I can't enter a talent show. What can I do?
You can sing very well.
Really? Thanks.
I can't sing at all, but I can play the piano, so...
So maybe we can enter the contest.
Of course we can. Let's do it.
Okay, we can practice tomorrow.
Grammar focus. Can for ability.
I can sing very well.
You can sing very well.
She can sing very well.
He can't sing at all.
We can't sing at all.
They can't sing at all. Can you sing?
Yes, I can.
No, I can't.
Can I sing?
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
Can she sing?
Yes, she can.
No, she can't.
Can he sing?
Yes, he can.
No, he can't.
Can we sing?
Yes, we can.
No, we can't.
Can they sing?
Yes, they can.
No, they can't.
What can I do?
You can sing.
Who can sing?
Becky can.
Page 67. Exercise 8. Pronunciation. Can and can't. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice the pronunciation of can and can't.
I can play the piano. I can't sing at all.
Are you good at sports? Listen to 3 people talk about their abilities. Write J, Joshua, M, Monica, or A, Anthony on the things they can do well. 1.
Are you good at sports, Joshua?
No, not really, but I like to swim. I can swim very well. I often go swimming on the weekends. And I can play the piano well, but I can't sing.
2.
What do you do on weekends, Monica?
I love to cook for my friends and family. I can cook well. And I love to take photos with my new camera. I think I can do that really well, too.
3.
That's a beautiful picture, Anthony.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm a designer, so I can draw really well. I often do my work on a laptop, so I can use computers really well too. Oh, I can paint too, but I don't paint for my job. It's just something I do for fun.
Word Power. Talents and Abilities. Part A. Complete the word map with talents and abilities from the list. Then listen and practice.
Bake cookies. Build a robot. Design a website. Do math in your head. Edit a video. Fix a computer.
Make electronic music. Play chess. Ride a horse. Run a marathon. Skateboard. Take good photos. Tell good jokes.
Reading. Awesome sports records.
Base jumping is a dangerous sport. People jump off buildings, bridges, and other high places. The Burj Khalifa Tower in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, is 824 meters, 2,717 feet, tall. That's a very scary jump. But Fred Fugan and Vince Refit of France can jump it. They also enjoy skydiving and parachuting. Do you know what a unicycle is? It's a bicycle with just one wheel. David Weichenberger of Austria has the world record for longest jump on a unicycle. He can jump 2.95 meters, about 10 feet. Kalamandalam Hemalatha of India has an amazing marathon record, but it's not for running. She can dance and dance and dance. In fact, Kalamandalam can dance for 123 hours and 15 minutes. That's the longest dance marathon on record. Kalamandalam's special dance is from India. It's called the Mohiniyattam dance. Do you know about Otto? Otto likes surfing, skateboarding, and playing soccer. Otto is a champion skateboarder, but he's a dog from Lima, Peru. Otto has the record for skateboarding through the legs of 30 people. Can you squash an apple? Can you squash it using just the muscles in your arms? One woman can. Her name is Lindsay Lindbergh. Lindsay is from Texas, in the U.S. In 1 minute, she can squash 10 apples. That's 1 apple every 6 seconds.
Así concluimos con esta lección. Espero que te haya sido útil. Si así lo fue, por favor, apóyame para seguir creando este tipo de contenido, dándole like y suscribiéndote al canal. Hasta la próxima.